How to add digital signature in PDF. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a digital signature by the end of any PDF or wherever you want in the PDF. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open any of the search engine, go to the search bar and type Adobe Sign PDF. So simply type in and press enter. Then you're going to click on this one that is sign your PDFs with a free PDF form filler. And here then you'll be able to see an interface like this. So you're going to click on select a file and then you're going to, navigate from your account and then you're going to, open that specific PDF which you wish to sign. For example, this is the PDF that I wish to sign. So it will take a moment until they redirect you to acrobatadobe.com and then you're going to sign in with your Google account, your continue with Adobe account, or continue with Facebook or Apple account. So I'm going to sign in with Google and I'm going to select my email address and then click on continue, and after that I'll be redirected to the Adobe interface where I can edit my PDF. And now here you're going to type down your birth date. So I'm going to type it down real quick and type down the birth year, and after that please contact me via email if you wish to do that, and then click on create an account if you don't have an account on Adobe already. And once you do so, you'll be taken to this interface of Adobe Acrobat. So you'll be able to see something like this in front of you, and here you can see that this is the PDF. Now you can simply click anywhere on the screen in order to type a text, and over here at the left side you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on add signature, and then here you're going to type down your name. For example, this is the names, or you can also edit it if you want. For example, I'm going to edit it over here like this, and you can also draw it yourself by clicking over here, and you can also upload any image of signature you already have. And then for example, I'm going to select this typing one and then click on save. So once you do click on that, you'll notice that this is the signature, and I'm going to simply paste it over here like this, and now you can see that the digital signature has been added. And if you wish to edit it, you can simply click on edit, and you can also click on draw and draw it over here like this. So I'm not doing it very good right now because I can't draw it with the mouse, but for example, just for demonstration purpose, you can simply draw it and then click on save, and you can see that this is the digital signature. You can also make it big and small depending on your own choice. So that is basically how you can add a digital signature within a PDF. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.